In a world where social norms too often dictate how we express ourselves, embracing one's true identity can be both liberating and challenging. For those who identify as sissies or have an interest in exploring their feminine side, the journey towards authenticity can sometimes feel like a daunting task. But fear not. This video is here to provide you with 8 invaluable tips that will effortlessly guide you through the process of passing as a sissy. Before delving into these strategies, it's important to recognize that being a sissy is deeply personal and unique for each individual. Society's narrow definitions of masculinity and femininity may try to place us into restrictive boxes, but ultimately it is our own understanding of what it means to be a sissy that matters most. Embracing this authentic self requires introspection and compassion towards oneself, acknowledging desires beyond societal expectations and allowing oneself to fully explore their unique expression. So whether you're just starting your journey or seeking guidance on presenting yourself more confidently, this video aims to provide thoughtful insights on how to navigate varied social settings while staying true to your feminine nature. Buckle up, because we are about to embark on an exciting adventure filled with self-discovery, empowerment, and unapologetic self-expression. Let's dive in together and unlock the secret art of effortlessly passing as a sissy. Stepping into the world as a sissy can be both empowering and intimidating. Building self-confidence is essential to navigate societal expectations and potential biases. Here are some strategies that can help you develop the confidence needed to embrace your inner sissy effortlessly. The first step in building confidence is accepting yourself for who you are. Embrace your femininity without judgment or shame, knowing that it is an integral part of your identity. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who celebrate diversity and encourage self-expression. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself about different aspects of femininity, from fashion trends to makeup techniques, to better understand how to present as a sissy authentically. Keep up with the latest styles and trends through online resources, tutorials, and social media platforms focused on gender expression. Build confidence by practicing feminine behaviors in safe spaces such as at home or among trusted friends who support your journey towards embracing your sissy identity. Experiment with mannerisms, voice modulation exercises, walking gracefully in heels, whatever helps you feel more comfortable expressing your femininity. Remember that building self-confidence takes time and patience. Be kind to yourself throughout this process while celebrating every small victory along the way. By embracing who you truly are authentically, others will be inspired by your strength and authenticity too. When it comes to embracing your femininity, one of the first steps is curating a visual presentation that aligns with how you feel inside. Clothing choices play a crucial role in how we are perceived by others, so opt for garments that highlight your feminine features and express your personal style. Experiment with different cuts, fabrics, and colors to find what suits you best. Makeup can be a powerful tool in accentuating your natural beauty and enhancing feminine characteristics. Start with subtle changes like mascara or lip gloss, gradually incorporating more daring shades and techniques as you become more comfortable. Don't forget to take care of your skin by moisturizing regularly. Healthy glowing skin always serves as an excellent canvas for any makeup look. Another aspect to consider when channeling your inner sissy is hairstyles. Long flowing locks can exude femininity, but shorter styles can also make a statement if that's more aligned with who you are. Invest time into finding the perfect hairstyle that complements both your face shape and personal style, whether it's elegant curls cascading down or a bold pixie cut framing delicate features. In conclusion, enhancing our appearance through clothing choices, makeup application techniques, and hairstyles allows us to authentically celebrate our femininity. Remember that there are no rules set in stone. Explore various options until you find what truly resonates with you on both an emotional and aesthetic level. The journey towards embracing one's true self begins from within but ultimately reaches its fullest expression through external presentation too. One important aspect of passing as a sissy is mastering the art of vocal feminization. Society often associates higher-pitched, softer voices with femininity, so it's worth investing some time and effort into training your voice to sound more traditionally feminine if that resonates with you. Start by practicing pitch variation. Experiment with raising the pitch of your voice gradually while speaking, aiming for a range that feels comfortable for you. Avoid straining or forcing your voice too high, as this can lead to vocal fatigue or sounding unnatural. Remember, The goal is not to imitate someone else's voice but rather to find a tone that authentically represents your femininity. Additionally, work on incorporating breath control into your speech patterns. Taking deeper breaths and using stronger diaphragm support can help create a more controlled and resonant sound when speaking in a feminine manner. Practice sustaining longer phrases without running out of breath and explore different rhythms and intonations to add expressive flair to your speech. It may also be helpful to enlist the assistance of resources specifically designed for vocal feminization. Online tutorials or even working with professional speech therapists who specialize in transgender issues can provide valuable guidance tailored towards achieving an authentic feminine voice. Remember, developing a feminine speaking style takes practice and patience. Be kind to yourself throughout this journey of self-discovery. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities and celebrate small victories along the way. When it comes to passing as a sissy, mastering feminine body language signals can make a world of difference in how you're perceived by others. From your posture to your gestures and even the way you walk, these subtle cues can enhance your femininity and help you pass effortlessly. Firstly, let's talk about posture. Standing up straight with your shoulders back not only projects confidence but also embodies grace and elegance. Keep your chin parallel to the ground while slightly tilting forward, as this accentuates a more delicate appearance. Crossing your legs at the ankles or knees when sitting can also add a touch of femininity to your stance. Next, pay attention to your hand movements and gestures. Avoid making large, abrupt motions typically associated with masculine behavior. Instead, try using smaller and more fluid gestures that convey gracefulness. For example, instead of pointing directly at something or someone, opt for using an open palm or gentle finger movements. Finally, practice walking like a lady. Keep your strides shorter than usual but maintain a smooth rhythm while swaying gently from side to side with each step. This adds elegance and femininity to your gait. Engaging the muscles in your hips will give you that natural sway as well. By consciously adopting these body language signals traditionally associated with femininity, from refined posture and elegant gestures to graceful walking style, you'll be well on your way towards effortlessly passing as a sissy in any social setting. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to spend some time observing women around you for further inspiration too. To build strong connections with others, it's important to listen actively and empathize with their perspectives. Show genuine interest in what others have to say, ask relevant questions, and respond attentively. This will not only help you establish rapport but also create a safe space where people feel understood and accepted. Pay attention to your body language and gestures as they can significantly impact how you are perceived by others. Maintain an open posture, make eye contact, smile genuinely, and use appropriate facial expressions that convey warmth and approachability. Being aware of these nonverbal cues will make your interactions more engaging and authentic. Understanding social dynamics is crucial for navigating different environments successfully. Study social norms specific to the settings you find yourself in frequently, from dress codes to conversation topics, so that you can adapt appropriately without compromising your sense of self-expression. By honing these skills of empathy, active listening, effective nonverbal communication, and social awareness, passing effortlessly as a sissy becomes easier while maintaining authenticity during interactions with others across various contexts. It's unfortunate, but discrimination and judgment can still be a reality for those who identify as sissies. However, don't let the actions or opinions of others dictate how you feel about yourself. Remember that your identity is valid, and no one has the right to belittle or bully you for expressing your femininity. One way to cope with judgment bullying is by surrounding yourself with supportive friends and allies. Seek out people who accept you for who you are without judgment. Their understanding and encouragement can provide a powerful shield against negativity from others. Additionally, practicing self-care and self-love is essential when facing discriminatory behavior. Remind yourself of your worthiness and value as an individual on your own terms. Engage in activities that uplift you, such as writing in a journal, meditating, or indulging in hobbies that bring joy into your life. In situations where confrontation may escalate negatively, it's important to prioritize personal safety above all else. If faced with verbal or physical abuse from someone due to their intolerance toward sissies, consider removing yourself from the situation immediately and seeking help if necessary. Remember, you are not alone in facing these challenges. Reach out to support groups or online communities specifically tailored to helping individuals navigate through similar experiences. They can offer guidance while reminding you that there's strength in unity. In today's digital age, the internet provides a wealth of resources and online communities where individuals can connect with like-minded people who share similar interests and experiences. When it comes to exploring your sissy identity, having a supportive community by your side can be invaluable. These online spaces offer an opportunity to seek advice, share stories, gain insights, and most importantly, find acceptance. One such resource is forums or message boards specifically dedicated to sissies. These platforms allow you to engage in discussions with others who are on the same journey as you. From fashion tips and beauty hacks to emotionally charged conversations about personal growth, these forums provide a safe space for open dialogue without judgment. Additionally, there are social media groups that cater specifically to individuals interested in embracing their feminine side. Facebook groups or Instagram accounts centered around empowerment and self-expression can help connect you with fellow sissies from around the world. Engaging in these communities not only allows you to learn from others but also provides opportunities for self-discovery through shared experiences. Remember that while online spaces can be incredibly beneficial for finding support and encouragement as you embrace your sissy identity, it is important to prioritize safety and privacy. Always exercise caution when sharing personal details or engaging in virtual interactions.